Hello all, my name is Saurav and today I am here to explain you about the Laravel e-commerce admin order creation. You can purchase this module from our Webcool store. Actually, this module facilitates the admin to create an offer on behalf of their customer. Either they will be a guest customer or a login customer. Let's see how the backend and the frontend part looks when the configuration is done on the platform. I'm taking you to the backend section. Here is the dashboard for the platform. You can go to the dashboard. You have the sales tab, click on there. You have the create new order for customer, but it will be activated once you go to the configuration tab in the below section. You enable this module. You have to enable this module from here. Thereafter you need to do a save so that the configuration is being saved and it will published on the backend other part of the backend panel. Go to the sales part. Here you can see create new order for customer. Okay, if you click on there, you can see there is another tab, create new order for guest. If you have a customer for whom you want to create the order, you can click on the first tab, or else if it is a guest customer, you can click on there for the guest customer. Let's see for the login customer. Here are two customers. These are the two customers which are available on the platform. I do have these details. I can click any one of them. Let's say I'm clicking on the first one, create order. I need to choose any of this product so that I can create the order, or if I want to choose the multiple product, I need to click on there and thereafter I can add the order in the similar way that I am showing you. Let's proceed with one of them. Let's create, click on the tab add order. Once you click on the add order, you can see the product detail is coming. The quantity, you can add on the quantity. If I want to add 2 quantities there, I can do that. Now you have to save it. Once you process the once you save the product for the customer, you need to fill the billing address, shipping address, payment, review, everything there. Email is already present as I have done it for the login customer, so I need to fill the other details, or I can use any one of them. Now I need to click on continue. I can proceed to the shipping method. These are the two shipping methods that are currently published from the backend section. So flat rate and free shipping. If I click on free shipping, or you can also click on flat rate, there is no difference. For the payment method, you need to click on any of this. Mostly for the admin order creation, cash on delivery is activated, so you can click on cash on delivery and continue button. Once you click on this, a preview page will come up where you can see the complete billing address as well as like the product rate, quantity of product, everything. You just need to click on place order. Once you click on this place order, a order has been placed from the backend section. Now you can go to this action button, click on there. You have the option to create the invoice to the shipment. If you click on invoice, you have the option to save that invoice. You can save that invoice as an admin. Thereafter you have the option for the ship button. You can click on the ship. Now for the shipment, you need to fill certain details like what is the carrier, what is the tracking number of that product, like how the customer can track it, and a select source, that is the inventory source that you need to select. After that, you need to click on save shipment. Once you do the shipment, everything is done. An order has been already placed from the account. Now you can go to the profile section. Here you can see that this is the profile. This is the customer profile where he has put the order. The admin has put the order. You can click on the profile. You can go to the order section, click on there. Once you click on there, you can see a product has been created and it's been shipped to you. The date and time is showing here. You can also click on action to see the details, that this is the product, tax amount, grand total, what is the taxation, what is the billing address, what is the shipping address, shipping method, payment method. Everything you can see on the profile page. Like if I am a customer, I can see everything, like my order on my profile section. Also there is an option that they can see, they can click on there, they can see this customer. For this customer, they have created an order, the status is completed, as the invoice and the shipment has been done. That's why it is showing the status is completed. If the invoice and shipment is not done, it will show pending, as you can see this pending order. Same is the condition for the guest also, but for the guest, what happened, there is no tracking, there is nothing such as they don't have the profile page, they don't have the account with the platform, so they can't see the order. But they will receive the order, and once they receive the order, they need to pay the amount through cash on delivery to the delivery boys. This is all about the module, and I hope you enjoyed this module, and it will be helpful to install the module on your platform. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.